Hi friends, so today I am going to start a video about how you can export an HTML table to Excel file in Angular. Angular any version greater than 6 like 6, 7, 8, 9. You can use these files and you can export basically you can export HTML or div to a Excel file using some libraries. So I have created a project here with the name of export to Excel. So first of all, you have to install two things, like two modules here. One is Excel SX module. Second is uh, file saver module, which will export the file to Excel file. So I have already installed these things, and let me run this project basically. So you will see what is going on. After that, you have to import that module in your app component. So here you can see that I have import this module here. So this is the third step you have to do in your project. This is the third step, and after that you just need to write the title for your particular file. You can write the name here, or you can generate the name dynamically. After that, I have written a method where I am getting this table, basically this element from HTML. So I can give this element to any div, ID to any div or table, and that will generate a sheet XLS file, and I can download that. And in app component HTML file, you can see here. So here I have given a I called that method here, and here is a link to export that call that method, and here is the table with that particular ID. So this is the ID which is used here to export that file. So let me execute this method and run Angular Pro. Let us check what is going on, how it is working like. So this is very simple example, and you can easily export any div, any table, HTML table to Excel file. In the next version, next video, I will let you know that how you can format your Excel file with any formatter. So my application is running on this port, so let me open the port so that we can check the application. Yes, sir. So right now there is no data in that table, so but this will export. Particular things, and you can see that Excel is exported from here, and all the columns is here with the particular data. So I have created an array for that particular thing. Like there is a company with some container, cell condition, container condition, and get in date time. So here I am looping that data with particular information and binding that data here. So on the front end, you will see that here is the output. Here is the output, and if I export the Excel, then you will see that the Excel is exported here. Yes, you can see that there is container number, cell condition, and this. So and also you can export your data in easy way. Like if I want to make another array, so I just need to take this part for an example. and I just need to write here, and I just container number is 2, average new date. Then you will see that uh, there is another row in the table. There is another row in the table, and we can export that data easily. Yes, now you can see that there is 2 rows with different things. Export to Excel. So it is very easy to export data in Angular. You just need to put your two things. I already noted down that. So one is npm install xlsx. Second is FileSaver. Third, you need to import that and write the method. So this is for today. Thanks, guys.